Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show the capabilities of the apq-debugger. It's a Chrome and Edge extension, which basically helps you intercept the requests which are using the Apollo client's persisted queries and helps you get the GraphQL query from the request without actually going into the code base. So in this example, I'll quickly show the GraphQL before enabling the interceptions by the Chrome extension. So the moment I refresh the site, Expedia, you can see there are a couple of requests that are made, right? All GraphQL and are using the APQ extensions of the Apollo client. Now, in order for me to figure out what is the actual GraphQL query that is being used here, I'll need to go to the APQ debugger and set the pattern that I need to match. In this case, the pattern will be the request URL according to the request URLs. So in this case, the pattern that I need to match would be GraphQL. And once I hit submit, my network interception is now enabled. Now, considering notification query, right? I'll do a page refresh. This time, when the query interception is enabled, there will be two requests that will be made. One is the original request made by the Apollo client, which still does not contain our query of the GraphQL. But subsequently, there will be two different requests made, this time containing the exact GraphQL query. So in this case, we know that there are a couple of fragments that are being used in the query used by Expedia. So that's it. That's how you use it. And once you need to disable it, just click on stop. It's that simple. All right. Thank you. Thanks.